Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for today, I want to talk to you about white beans. But first, just a quick reminder, the 1,000 subscriber giveaway is still going on, and you still have a good chance to win the grand prize. Alrighty? Okay, so white beans. What's so special about white beans? Well, let's look at beans in general. Most people stock, I got red kidney beans, I got pinto beans, and they don't realize that white beans are used in a lot more dishes than kidney or pinto beans combined. So, white beans are a little bit smaller. They're a little more palatable to smaller kids and stuff. So, you need to think about adding the white bean to your preps. Do you have to? No, but I'm just saying you should consider it, because white beans are used in a lot of other dishes other than just making chili or baked beans. So, and actually they use white beans for making baked beans and for stuff like sugar maple and bacon mixes and stuff like that. They're used in a lot of things. So check out some recipes for them. See if you like any of those recipes. See what they are used in. You Google white beans recipes. What are they used in? Find out, and you'd be surprised. And you may decide to start stocking up on white beans. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, clothing, skills. Why? Well, this is why